what to do. Some of you guys probably really like your topic, but even that doesn't make it a good topic or make it define it. So we're going to talk a little bit about those. But first of all, if I just check into this, I really love your responses on these, and some of them were actually, I expect some of them that are just going to cover the surface level, and some of them you guys got kind of deep, you know. What were some of the things that separated? By the way, did anybody see the original Sleepless in Seattle? Yeah. That's what the kind of movies we watched in the 90s. That was like this, and you have email, you know, back when your computer had to tell you. Can you imagine if your computer told you you had email now? Your head would be spinning. In either case, the original was the one on top, as you probably can tell by the length, right? Typical rom-com guys, right? Typical rom-com where, like, you know that they have to meet and that they're going to meet at the end and all of that. Despite all of their problems, maybe there'll be even a trip to the airport, you know, and all of those things. But in this case, what they do in the second one, I thought you guys named most of the features. Music was a big one. Lighting. It was all dark. They put the dark shade on everything, kind of like a Harry Potter movie. Huh? You're like, oh, you filmed this movie. What other stuff? These are the kind of the tropes, right? You know that you're going to get, well, I don't know how they got lightning in it, but there must have been one storm. Or at least they faked it, right, with the flashing lights. Creepy gestures that we had no idea what the heck they meant, right? It was just more like, someone's here to see you. You know. Yeah, so all of these little tricks, right? Tricks that we know. Frankly, some of you guys also you dug a little bit deeper. So unlike the remember, where we talked about one little difference, and then you just go, yeah, it's different, but you don't keep going. And sometimes you keep going, and some of you guys pointed out, like, hey, wow, this audience, horror movie audiences, are diametrically probably opposed to the rom-com audience, right? Who wants to, you know, the kind of people who read romantic novels probably don't also read Stephen King. That is, it was a totally different audience it had. It's kind of diametrically opposed. I can't remember who it was. It might have been you pointed that out. I can't remember. Was it you?
Point out what out?
The fact that it was the audiences themselves would be quite diametrically opposed. The romantic comedy versus the horror movie. Because it was somebody in class that thought, oh, that's pretty astute. And some of you guys also brought up all of the different things that added up, lighting, music,